It's your boy J-Babe, Mr. Major Man, Mr. 504 G's in front of Big Easy Hill, walking y'all back to the showroom. And today I got the review for y'all for a shoe that I should have been got out. Probably this was my last pickup for 2019, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the way. But before I do that, I'd like to personally thank y'all for watching the channel, subscribing, sharing, doing all that other good stuff. Follow me on all my social medias as y'all always do. But I gotta let y'all know, could you please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, like, comment, all that good stuff. I'm probably one of the most viewed YouTubers under 1,000K, 1K. But let's go ahead and get into the shoes. As y'all can see right here, we got the NRG box with all of the different campaigns, pictures, posters, sketches, and all that other stuff. And if y'all are familiar with what recently came out, y'all should already know what's in the box. But let's go ahead and get into the tag. As y'all can see, we got the Air Jordan 3 Retro SE Special Edition, size 10.5, size 12 in women's. And the retail on these was $225, bro. $225. $247 with tags, bro. Now, this is the second year we got a specialty SE release from Jordan at the end of the year, because last year it was those Tattoo 4s that came out. What it was, 2018, the Tattoo 4s, and those were $225 as well. So like Jordan Brand been hitting us with multiple years with Jordan shoes for $225. But I'll dive into that as I get into the shoe and get to the explanation. But as y'all can see, we got black paper. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. That one right there. Take both of them out so we can. Put this on well. Put y'all right there. All right. I'm gonna take this out just so we won't have to worry about all that. Bam! The Air Jordan 3 Animal Instinct. Some people are calling it the Animal Pack 3s, the should have been an Atmos 3s, or whatever the case may be. But for the most part, like I said, it was a dope concept shoe. In all honesty, I just feel like bad timing, like really a bad timing. And the way this release went, it was like they only had what, Flight 23s getting these for foot action. No Foot Lockers, no Champs. A lot of Tier 0 seem to have got this shoe as well, which was another thing. And people were kind of like, they didn't know if they were. I'm gonna just be real with y'all. If you were a reseller trying to resell these, like, they played off of the fact that not many places supposedly didn't have these, but it seemed like Nike.com did have these in abundance. First they, released on sneakers, and then had that sold out after the release, which is where I hit on. But then like probably 2 hours later they restocked and put more of them up and then shipped them to Nike.com. So then I guess that's what killed all the hype for this shoe for the most part. But let's go ahead and get into the shoe for the most part. As y'all can see, we have a gum bottom with that Jordan brand done in black. And as y'all can see, we also have Sail going over here. And let me see, I didn't even get to stop the color code. The color code is black, multicolor, dark mocha, and I think it was rope. Yep. Yeah, dark mocha. That's the color code on there. Right, but yeah, like I was saying, and on the upper you have, like, this is Sail. This is not really white. This is not a true white. This is actually Sail. You got a Sail midsole, and it's leading up to the black part, the back five-line midsole, and it is actually soft, to be honest with y'all. It's a softer midsole, which I've been noticing on some of the threes they have been. Going to the front, you have the gum pop-up stars as well. You have that stitching going over here on the midsole as well. You have a sail, almost looks, yeah, you have that sail air bubble on the inside of the midsole. Excuse me. You also on the upper have this cow fur, which on the inside of the shoe, it does actually says real cow fur. And some people were saying that this was the first one to feature this. This is not the first shoe to release that. The Social Status 6 also released this as well. You also have the dyed cow fur going on where the elephant print usually be on the toe cap. And you also have the tiger stripes with a yellow translucent plastic on there as well. You have red lace holes as well. On the top of the shoe is black. You also have this satin material that goes all the way up on the tongue. You have flat rope laces. You have a red Jumpman. On the back, you have that zebra print going toward the back, which is usually where the elephant print is as well. You have the leopard. No, is that cheetah? It looks like cheetah. You have this cheetah or leopard. Hold on. You have cheetah. I'm trying to get y'all to see that. Cheetah going on the back lining as well. And you have that semi-translucent yellow tab with a black Jumpman and black air on the back as well. On the inside, you have a white Jumpman with a red insole, black liner. And you can see that tag where it tells you that this is made out of real cow fur. It says origin Brazil, Nike Inc., 1 Bowman Drive, Beaverton, Oregon. And it says dyed bovine fur. So, I mean, yeah, the animal, PETA's gonna come after people. That's who they're probably gonna go after. And as y'all can see, the insole is the standard Ortholite insole that we should be used to. And I'm gonna do a little comparison with this shoe right here, because if y'all remember, this shoe also costs $225. And my only thing about this is for $225 we got a leather insole, same type of fur, and like the Animal Instinct thing, you have multiple different animal prints in here, but also right here you also have this bovine fur, which is supposed to simulate a black cat. And also you have that mamba snake skin material right here as well. Excuse me. And like I said, you also have on the inside of this shoe, you have that, get this, oh shit. You got that bovine fur tag in there as well. Now the only thing I said was, and I might do another video breaking down the importance and the significance of Nike Air versus Jumpman Air. This has a Jumpman Air on there, which I'm surprised they just didn't go ahead and throw a Nike Air on the back. Usually I'm the one that says stop throwing Nike Air on every single 3 or 4, because if it's not an OG color, why are y'all doing that? But if you think back, those Olivia Kim 4s had a Nike Air on the back, but it had a Jordan on the bottom. So I'm trying to figure out why they just didn't put Nike Air on this one, which was also a animal fur sneaker. They could have put Jumpman Air on there. Considering that they put the Nike Air on this one, and this is not even an OG color, I'm trying to figure out why y'all didn't throw it on here as well. Like, this is one of those mini mysteries that the NRG team just seems to like botch for the most part when it comes to these releases. But me personally, I love this shoe. The shoe is great. I'm probably gonna find some outfits that I can show y'all how to dress these, how to style these for the most part. Not too much you really can, it's like hard to mess up dressing this shoe up. And like you could really wear this to like a nice little event. Also with the 6s as well. But on the inside, I forgot to point out on the tongue, it does say Instinct, which is upside down, and that's very rare that they put like the tags in the 3s like this. Oh yeah, wanted to compare it to my Black History Month 3s. But I mean, even the shape is a little bit different compared to like some of the other 3s. Yeah, it's a little bit different, but they're supposed to be changing the shape of the 3s. Like when those All-Star 3s come out, the shape is going to be different, so be on the lookout for that. But personally, like I said, I like the shoe. Can't really go wrong with animal print. My personal favorite animal print shoe is the Kith Pippins. Those were really dope in my opinion. Like hopefully I could double back and go back and get those and put those in the collection, because you can't go wrong with animal print. And also there is the Pony Hair 4s as well. Pony Hair 4s. I had the snakeskin version as well. So using animal patterns, prints, materials is nothing new to Jordan Brand and Nike. They've been doing it for years. They've been doing it for years with the Atmos. So like I said, this is not new territory for them. But let me know in the comment section below, how do y'all feel about this? Too high, too much, not interested? Did the price deter you? Was it, or just the execution of this deter you? Do you think it should have been a collab? Would that have helped with your purchasing of this shoe? Let me know in the comment section below. But as always, I deeply appreciate y'all. And I am JC Baby, and y'all in the showroom. And as always, stay true, stay fly, stay blessed, and I am out. You dig? And one more thing I gotta add. Do not, I repeat, do not go outside in the rain with these. These are not meant to be worn in rain. Just giving you the heads up. And if you need to put a protectant on there, like, I don't even recommend doing that, to be honest with y'all, because like, if it rains, just leave these shoes a bit. If you think it's gonna rain, just leave these shoes alone, like, because you will ruin this material and it will smell like a animal is in your house. Just saying. 消してしまうにまだ人生長いでしょう消してしまうにまだ人生長いでしょうDrop that heat. Stay strong.